So the lotus flower is a powerful symbol of transformation. So from my understanding, it's not just something that you choose out of, you didn't choose that randomly. So I want to know how and what is the inspiration behind the lotus flower, because it's a very powerful symbol as you emphasize. So why did you choose it as the core metaphor of this whole book?
I saw myself as a lotus rising from the murky waters, a terrain that is so, the lotus, when you look, I love nature, I love water, I'm a water person. And I was walking and along the water spaces, and I looked at the lotus, and for a moment, I even shed off this physical body, and I saw myself as a lotus, and I looked at the environment it's rising from. It's not an environment, if we can call it clean, it's murky. It looks like, goodness Lord, what a beautiful thing. How can it rise from such a muddy place? And it rises. And if you observe the lotus, it will rises and it will open up.
Mm.
And it will open up in the morning, and it will open up and embrace the sun, the life force.
Yeah.
And then in the evening, it will close. It's like it's saying, I'm content. I've absorbed it all, and I'm falling asleep. I'm content. So I saw myself as a lotus. And it's not saying, it's not judgmental. It's not saying, it's embracing its environment. It's not labeling it good or bad. It says it is what it is. And it's my habitation. So I learned from the lotus. Every morning it will rise with its petals. And if you sit and you observe, it calls for patience. It will open up and open up and open up. As the sun rays fall on it, it will open up until it's fully open. And then when I was looking at it, and I asked myself a question, why am I resisting to open up? What's stopping me from opening up?